Good morning, everybody. So today we are going to do something that at work we like to call quick wins. Quick wins are things that take very little effort and they have a very high turnover. So something that's very simple to do, but that can have a great effect. And that's what we're going to do today. So this is just a ceramic tile that I got at Home Depot. And these come in all, of course, different sizes and shapes and all of that kind of stuff. This is a 12 by 24 piece. I think it was like $3 or something like that at Home Depot. And so the materials are very, very cheap, and then you can put vinyls on them. So for example, here's a couple that I've already done. This is a smaller one that we just put home on there. Sorry about the glare. Okay. So this is just black vinyl that was put on there, not sealed or anything. Okay, so that's a smaller one. Here is a larger one that was done. Okay, and these are designed to go on easels. So easels or something like that to go on your counter, or just as a decorative piece. They're not really designed for the wall because they are so heavy, but that doesn't mean you can't put them on the wall. Another thing about these is, the reason I call them quick wins is they're really easy to do. They're really, really fast, and they are good sellers at shows. They're kind of expensive to ship, so they're kind of hard to sell online and ship to places because they are so heavy, so shipping gets really expensive. But they're great for craft shows and stuff like that, just to kind of fill some space, and they don't take a whole lot of effort, okay? And then this one is actually my favorite. Of course, this is the one that hangs in our house. It's, of course, my last name when my husband and I got married. And then these are actually the names of all of us and all of our dogs. Yes, we do have 5 dogs. We did have 6, but 2 have passed away. So these are the 2 that passed away. So we have our little wings for them. But this, again, really, really simple to make, very beautiful. And I really like doing these because they are simple and they move very well at craft shows. Okay, so we're going to bring back our blank one. And all we're going to do, so there's nothing on this. This was literally just cleaned off. And then we are going to put our vinyl on. And so we're going to put this vinyl on today. Just love is a 4-legged word. Again, dog mom, so, or rescue dog mom as well. And so this is what we're going to put on this one today, because this one's going to stay at my house. Find my scissors. I think I walked away with them somewhere and I put them down. That's okay. All right, so what we're going to do, when you're doing really large vinyls like this, it's best to cut it down. Okay, I found my scissors. All right, so we are going to cut this down. So that it can be centered up better. So I want to center it about there. Grab my tape measure, so we're at 2 inches. 2 and 2. Okay. And then, but here we're at 1.5, so we're going to move this up a little bit. So we're there, and there. Okay, so about 1 3/4. And what I'm going to do to keep that measurement is I'm going to put some tape down, so I know where my vinyl needs to lay. Okay, so now I have my line. That's just the easiest way to make sure that you're going to stay even. All right, then we are going to take this backing off. Make sure you're even on these sides as well. Okay. And then you're just going to push down as you go. Okay. Now sometimes this can be, depending on the ceramic, it's going to be a little bit of work to get this off. Or it can be. So best thing is just to roll it onto itself and just pull straight back instead of upwards. All right, that's it. Make sure you have a good adherence. And I actually don't put anything over these. I don't put any sealer or anything like this. I leave them like that. So that's it. So that took us all of 8 minutes to do this from beginning to end. Again, really, really quick wins. I know this is a little off right here and it's driving me insane, but that's okay. Really easy, quick wins, inexpensive materials, great for craft shows, great for customization. And that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to bring this to you, this really good quick win. If you need to throw some stuff together for a last minute show or whatever, these are fantastic for that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section and I will get back to you. Please go visit my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net, and go see me on Facebook, Woodworking in Faith and Guided by Faith Designs. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the little bell button so you can get notified when I have new videos that are posted. And that's it. So like, subscribe, share with your friends, hit the notification button. Go see me on Facebook, Woodworking in Faith and Guided by Faith Designs. Go visit my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net. If you would like to help support my channel, I would appreciate it. All of the links are in the description, as well as this vinyl is available on my website right now. I've loaded quite a few like farmhouse type vinyls, as well as the scriptures and the sayings, and then some dog inspired vinyls, rescue dog and stuff like that. I will have a few photos at the end of this so you can see the finished product mounted on an easel. And I'm also going to throw in some pictures of my dogs, just because I have 5 massive dogs, and I want to show them off because that's what dog moms do. So I hope everybody has a blessed day, and God bless.